I think you are do it in the reverse direction.
Oh.
I don't think it is in the right direction.
Yes.
Do it over here. Can you see that?
Yes. How it worked was, this is the dust. I mean that the thermocol and the dust, everything was mixed. And I just kept a tube here and then it sucks there. How does it suck here? The motor is here and the fan has a little bit bent like this. It's like something. And I kept holes here. So the motors air will go here. So the air will just suck to here. How I just put it reverse? Because there's a DPDT switch here. It's like one, see, like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I put a wire like this, like X. Then these are the batteries connections, and these are the motors connection. And this is connected to the battery. It won't work. In the next side, there will be a switch. If I just press the switch, it will just suck it. And if I press the other side, it will just blow. I just tried it one time, it sucked, but it didn't come out. Why? Because this place is full of, it's covered. It can't go outside. So how I managed it was, I just removed this part.
John, are you not able to breathe properly? Remove this.
Okay. I just kept this box, let's see, this is the item. Then it just stores here and it's blocked. It will just spin here. So I just see. So you can just remove it and fix it again. See? Can you see? Because this place it keeps on rotating, it struggles to go this part. And we can also fix it again. See? So, like it spins here, then the DPDT switch is the main part and the battery.
Why did you use a DPDT switch? Didn't understand.
I used a DPDT switch for reversing and again like that. It's like
Reversing what?
reversing it and doing it again. So
Reversing the.
I thought it might fit it again like
John, the word you are looking for is reversing the rotation of the fan.
yes.
Yes.
It reverses the rotation of the fan and it won't go. Now I just showed you. There was a circular here. It won't go that easily because this circular place is very small and this goes small and this place will be stored. And why I used the DPDT switch for, it was I used the DPDT switch to reverse the rotation.
ये अपना मोटर वेल लेके आओ. जैसा भी लेके आओ.
And so that's it. Any questions?
One question, yeah. So DPDT rocker switch you use to reverse the rotation of the fan. I understand. Why does that change in direction happen? What makes the change in direction happen? What is
I
that?
understand.
How do you rotate? Okay, if you would have been using a simple switch, a regular switch, how would you have rotated the fan in a reverse direction? With a simple switch. There is a simple switch, no DPD. Then how would you have reversed the direction?
I will just draw an on switch here. This is the on-off button. Only two, but in DPDT switch you can see three, right? In DPDT switch.
No, forget about DPDT. John, concentrate on the question. So you have a regular switch. Yeah. How would you reverse the direction of the rotation?
This is a motor. And this is the fan. And this direction, this moves this side. And if you change this wire to this wire to this, and the motor spins in this direction. To make that...
Basically, you will interchange the connection.
Yes. To make that easy, that's why DPDT switch is there. So we should just connect it properly. And if you just press it.
So what happens when you interchange the wires? No.
Yes.
What happens when you interchange the wires?
It just reverse.
Why? Why is that? Why does it happen? By interchanging the wire, why the direction is also reversed? Is it related somewhere to the direction of the current flow? I'll tell you. So when you interchange the connections, the direction of the current flow reverses. So it reverses the rotation of the motor also.
Yes.
Okay, that is what I was looking for. It's fine. Anyone wants to ask anything? Larry, ask something. Anything, it's fine. Yep.
If that thermocol that small wants that thing is inside the vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
If you want to take without opening this, like you showed, without opening that thing, can you move out that waste?
No. In the real vacuum cleaner, you haven't even seen it like that. In the real vacuum cleaner, they have these gaps, like lines. Then they will just take one, they will just open this part and they will take.
Okay.
That's the same thing what I did. See? It sucks only this much. And the
You are saying in the real life vacuum cleaner also, you have to remove it manually.
Yes.
Okay.
And why I kept these was the dust shouldn't go near the motor so the motor doesn't get spoiled.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, he is saying that he will have to manually open it up and take out the waste. If you are moving the motor in only one direction, you only want the motor for sucking, then why are you using a DPDT? A normal switch can also take the function of only sucking. You want it to go only in one motion.
I
You
wanted
can use the switch.
I wanted it to just spit it out, so I just tried connecting it to the DPDT switch. Then it didn't work. Then I figured out that this place is just like it's spinning. So this place I need to just do it bigger so it spits it out.
Okay.
Or probably, maybe you can say that the sucking operation, so this pipe, long pipe, it helps in sucking operation, but when you need to spit out, you need a wider cross section.
Yeah, that was only I was asking.
You cannot spit it out through a pipe. It is more difficult to do that. So sucking is still easier this way, but spitting out is not. Yeah, that is what was happening, and that is what all the vacuum cleaners have. They have a smaller, less wider, less cross section area wise pipe in front of vacuum cleaners. No vacuum cleaner has this big a thing, right? It's always there has to be reason behind it. Probably before the presentation which was happening on Karana, this guy na Tetish was doing the presentation.
I'll keep a net here, and if it even tries to go here, it won't, because I kept very small holes, very small, so even sand can't enter. And I used the DPDT, and I thought it might spit it out like this.
That's okay. Again, he understood.
I know. See, I tried to do that, but the DPDT didn't work.
That's fine.
It just sucks.
That's fine. So Tetish, he tried spitting it out, but it didn't work. So that's why the DPDT is there. Otherwise, you can do it without it. Anything?
So I think somebody asked a question.
Yeah.
The dust particles are very small, and in the metal sheet you have made holes, so the dust can pass through the metal. Pass through the metal.
It won't. That's what I mean.
But dust particles are so small.
Yeah, see. Now I just put it out. Can you see that? Can you? I kept it so small, and I even put some sellotapes over it. So some place I just
John,
covered it.
what she is asking is, a dust particle will go through those holes which you have made. She is asking that. The thermocol ball was not able to, but a dust particle will. So what would you do then?
It doesn't suck sand.
It doesn't. This doesn't. But a usual vacuum cleaner does. So the hole has to be smaller than the particle which you want to
They
block.
have a net. See that?
They have a net. So net has holes.
Very small. Even dust can't enter.
Yeah, so that's what. The point is to have holes which are smaller than the
You
particles you
have
want to
that
catch.
That time it just broke, right?
That's fine.
That's the real side of it.
You would have like you can put a filter paper inside like this.
Yeah, that's what I also told to sir.
But he didn't listen.
Yes.
We do not have a filter.
But no, in the real vacuum cleaners they have a filter like.
So filter
They-
paper
see-
allows the air to pass through.
See, I'll show you.
Yeah.
They'll keep one filter and the other filter near that line like this, and another filter so the dust can't enter in.
Okay. Got the point.
Filter paper will not allow the dust particle also to go.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. Anything, guys? What about the fan? So, anyways, you have discussed it with Tatik just now when he was presenting the vacuum cleaner. But do you think you can increase the efficiency of it? You can.
Yes.
How will you
If
increase?
I keep this much more bigger, it sucks more. It's like it sucks very fast like this. Why I just kept it the fan like this, and I won't keep the fan straight. I'll keep it like U shape like this. I'll show you. You can only see like this. Can you see that I have curved it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Why it is curved? Because see. If I keep my hand like this, no air. But if I keep it like this, see, it's like that. So if I keep it like this, and the other fan will be like this, and more air will. See, more air will go and come. It's like reversing and reusing. Like.
So it is basically dependent on the area which is, by more the area which is pushing the air, the better.
Yes.
Either the area or if the area is smaller, then the frequency. Anything else? Sure?
No.
Done? Okay, thank you.
But